Here we have a quick unboxing video. This is for the Mgf and Mgtf chrome Lexus style rear light kit. We also do this in a black version. This is fully E-marked, it's road legal and MOT compliant, so let's get this box open and have a closer look. This is a rear light kit we've been selling for quite a number of years now, so it's just one that we've finally got round to doing a quick video of a bit of a close-up really. These lights are not supplied with bulbs, but I guess you can use your old bulbs like your old lights. Here's a little close-up. So they come with a new foam gasket, and these are fully plug and play, so these just plug directly into the wiring loom of your car. So to insert your bulbs, all you need to do, twist out the bulb holder, insert your bulb, twist it back in.